Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here of a Volkswagen Polo 2007 model, the service range indicator. This Polo comes from 2006 till 2008, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator. Okay, let's start right away. When we turn on the ignition, you'll see that this indicator pops up. First step is turn the ignition back off, then press this button over here, keep it pressed. While you keep it pressed, turn the ignition to the second position, all the lights must go on, and wait for all the lights to turn off. Once that turns off, switch this button over to the right, 1, 2, and you'll see that the indicator is gone now. Do the check, turn off, turn back on, and as you can see, this indicator doesn't appear anymore. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. Give us a thumbs if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.